Greetings, fellow travelers. Today, we're diving into the heart of the southern Urals to uncover the hidden treasures of Chelyabinsk. From its industrial history to natural wonders, join me as we explore 10 fascinating facts about this vibrant Russian city. Let's get started. Fact 1. The Chelyabinsk meteor explosion. Our first fact takes us back to 2013 when Chelyabinsk gained international attention due to a spectacular event. A meteor exploded in the sky, creating a brilliant fireball and a series of sonic booms. Chelyabinsk tractor plant, a symbol of industry. Chelyabinsk is known for its industrial might, and at the heart of this legacy is the Chelyabinsk tractor factory. This massive facility has been a symbol of Soviet and Russian industrial prowess, producing heavy machinery and tanks since the early 1930s. Fact 3. The Chelyabinsk tank. Speaking of tanks, did you know that the renowned T-34 tank, a crucial player in World War II, was produced in Chelyabinsk? The city played a pivotal role in supporting the Soviet war effort, and the T-34 became a symbol of Soviet Union victory. Fact 4. Lake Turgoyk, the Russian Maldives. Chelyabinsk is home to the breathtaking Lake Turgoyk, often dubbed the Russian Maldives. It is famous for its crystal-clear waters and sandy shores. It's a haven for nature lovers and a perfect escape from the urban hustle. Fact 5. The Chelyabinsk State Museum of Local Lore. Delve into Chelyabinsk's rich history by visiting the Chelyabinsk State Museum of Local Lore. It houses a treasure trove of artifacts, showcasing the city's evolution from a small settlement to an industrial powerhouse. Fact 6. The Chelyabinsk Pipe Rolling Plant. Chelyabinsk is also recognized for its metallurgical achievements, with the Chelyabinsk Pipe Rolling Plant standing tall. It's one of the largest pipe producers in Russia, contributing significantly to the country's infrastructure development. Fact 7. The P.E.C.H.S River, lifeblood of Chelyabinsk. Flowing through the heart of the city is the P.E.C.H River, often referred to as the lifeblood of Chelyabinsk. It adds to the city's scenic beauty and plays a crucial role in its industrial development. Fact 8. The tale of the Chabarkal Lake meteorite. In 2013, fragments of the Chelyabinsk meteorite fell into Chabarkal Lake. It created a buzz among scientists and added another cosmic chapter to the city's narrative. Fact 9. Chelyabinsk Zoo, a haven for wildlife. For a delightful day out, visit the Chelyabinsk Zoo. It's home to a diverse array of wildlife. It offers a perfect setting for families and nature enthusiasts to connect with the animal kingdom. It is interesting to note that, from the geological point of view, half of Chelyabinsk is located in Siberia and other half stands on the Urals. Fact 10. City between Siberia and Europe. The two parts are divided by the P.E.C.H River and connected by Leningradsky Bridge. And there you have it, 10 fascinating facts about Chelyabinsk, a city that seamlessly blends industrial might with natural beauty. If you've been to Chelyabinsk or have more facts to share, please drop them in the comments below. Until next time, happy exploring!